Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my fall trend guide. So in case you're new here, every Thursday we go over the hottest trends and show easy outfit ideas to wear at home. So make sure to subscribe to join my YouTube fam. And today we're talking about some Western trends. Ready y'all? Yeah. The fashion world started heading west a couple of years ago, so I actually have a trend guide video from when we were still doing the A to Z trend guide talking about Western, but now it's just all over the place. When I was at Fashion Week, I can't even tell you how many girls were wearing cowboy boots. So I want to show you some easy ways to incorporate Western into your everyday life if you don't live in the wild, wild west. So one of the ways is with accessories. I have this Western belt that I bought, I think it was like 3 years ago, and I wear it with everything. So here I'm just showing it with a Western shirt and some black skinny jeans and then a Western inspired bootie. So a great way to do the Western boot if you don't want to wear a full-on cowboy boot is just a little bit of Western inspiration. So you'll notice that my black jeans have a bit of a leather-like coating, so that's more of a city vibe. And then at Fashion Week, I wore this belt nonstop. So I wore it with black lace dress, I wore it with a floral dress, but you always want to incorporate that city element so you don't look too cowgirl. Another fun way to do the Western trend is with a fringe. So you'll see this fringe jacket. It's so fun, like in the back, it shakes, and I don't know, I just have so much fun whenever I wear fringe. I just can't stop playing with it. So I just kept the same jeans on bottom, just added a black t-shirt, kept my belt and the booties, but you can wear the fringe with all different things. You can wear it with basic denim, you can throw it over a little black dress, and it just gives that fun Western vibe. You just wanna shimmy all night. Now I know cowboy boots aren't for everyone, but I feel like I've always had a little bit of cowgirl in me. When I went to Dallas for a friend's wedding years ago, I bought these cowboy boots. So they are legit from Texas and I love them. But anyway, you can wear them so many different ways and they are so comfortable. So here I'm just wearing them with jeans and a big chunky sweater. But when I was in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, I wore them with everything. I even wore them with dresses and they were just so comfortable. I wore them on a hike. So they are great. And what's cool about them is the more weathered they get, the cooler they look. So you don't have to get worried about messing them up. So those are just some fun Western ideas to get you on trend for the season if you're into the whole Western trend. I have some more over on my blog. Just type Western into sydneystyle.com and you'll see some more outfit ideas. And I love seeing how you are wearing the trends. You are totally killing it. So keep uploading your photos to Instagram and tag at Sydney Summer SS Trend Guide. I've been featuring my favorite trend girls over on my Insta stories and my weekly newsletter. I also have some fun giveaways going on every week on Instagram. I'm at Sydney Summer if you want to join my SS Insta fam over there. And make sure to subscribe because I'll be back next Thursday with a new video. Bye. Bye, y'all. Fam. Fam. I don't know, it looks like on a taste. No, I can't use that. That's silly. Please fix my hair. I love you from there. I love you from here. I love you everywhere.